Happy Monday to everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel here at Kites Cabin Private Villa. So this Garden Balinese Resort is located here in Pansol, Calamba, Laguna. For inquiries, you may visit us on our Facebook page, Kites Cabin Private Villa, with the red profile picture. Of course, this place is very perfect for simple gatherings, birthdays, weddings, intimate celebrations. So we also have some gaming area here. We have billiards, we have basketball arcade for kids, we have football and dart. This one is very perfect for plantitos, plantitas who love the fresh breeze of nature. So I'll show you a glimpse of the bedroom. So we have 8 bedrooms in total, but it's not gonna fit our live video today, so we'll just show you 2 bedrooms for today. So this is a standard bedroom. This can fit about 4 to 5 packs. It has 2 full-size bed, a single pull-out bed. So it has an ensuite toilet and bath, flat screen TV, fully air conditioned. Another bedroom here, another 2 full-size bed with a single pull-out bed and an ensuite toilet and bath. Very comfortable for a long stay. So every bedroom has their own coffee tables outside, so they could lounge in the morning, have coffee while taking this view. Of course, our pool has a natural source of hot spring water, very therapeutic to our clients, very relaxing, and very perfect at night. So again, you may visit our social media. We have Instagram account, Facebook page. We also have Airbnb as well. And now we're also enhancing our YouTube channel. Please tune in so you can see further updates. For more infos, please subscribe. And we look forward to have you here this summer. God bless.